The global energy race, while electricity has become the world's most valuable resource. For decades, oil was considered the lifeblood of the global economy. Nations competed for access to energy resources, companies invested billions in exploration and production, and financial markets closely monitored every movement in energy prices. Today, however, a new race is emerging, one centered not only on oil and gas but on electricity itself. As artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, advanced manufacturing, and digital infrastructure expand at an unprecedented pace, electricity is becoming one of the most important strategic resources in the world. Governments, corporations, and investors are pouring trillions of dollars into power generation, transmission networks, battery storage systems, and energy infrastructure. Many economists now believe that access to reliable electricity may become one of the defining factors determining which countries and companies lead the global economy in the coming decades. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence is among the biggest drivers of this transformation. Modern AI systems require enormous computing power. Training advanced models involves processing vast amounts of data through specialized computer chips operating around the clock. Once deployed, these systems continue consuming large amounts of energy as millions of users interact with AI-powered applications every day. To support this demand, technology companies are building massive data centers around the world. These facilities contain thousands of servers and networking systems that require continuous power and cooling. Industry experts estimate that a single large AI-focused data center can consume as much electricity as a medium-sized city. The result is a dramatic increase in global electricity demand. Utility companies that once expected gradual growth are now revising forecasts upward. Some analysts predict that AI-related electricity consumption alone could double within the next decade, creating one of the largest surges in power demand in modern history. Electric vehicles are contributing to this trend as well. Governments worldwide are encouraging consumers to transition away from gasoline-powered cars in favor of electric alternatives. While this shift supports environmental goals and reduces dependence on fossil fuels, it also increases demand for electricity. Millions of EVs require charging infrastructure, upgraded power grids, and additional energy generation capacity. As adoption rates continue rising, utilities must prepare for a future in which transportation becomes increasingly dependent on electricity rather than petroleum products. Industrial activity is another major factor. Many countries are investing heavily in domestic manufacturing, particularly in strategic industries such as semiconductors, batteries, renewable energy equipment, and advanced technologies. These facilities consume significant amounts of power and often operate continuously to maximize productivity. The growing demand for electricity has exposed weaknesses in existing energy infrastructure. Much of the world's power grid was built decades ago and was not designed to support the needs of a highly digital and electrified economy. Aging transmission lines, limited storage capacity, and regional bottlenecks have become major concerns for policymakers and utility operators. Extreme weather events have added further pressure. Heat waves increase demand for air conditioning, while cold winters raise heating requirements. In several countries, peak electricity consumption records have been broken multiple times in recent years. These developments have highlighted the importance of resilient and reliable power systems. Governments are responding with unprecedented levels of investment. Massive infrastructure programs are being launched to modernize power grids, expand renewable energy, generation, and improve energy security. The United States, European Union, China, India, Japan, and several Middle Eastern nations have all announced ambitious plans to strengthen electricity infrastructure. Renewable energy remains a central part of these strategies. Solar and wind power have experienced rapid growth due to declining costs and technological improvements. In many regions, renewable energy is now among the cheapest sources of new electricity generation. However, renewable power presents unique challenges. Solar panels generate electricity only when sunlight is available, and wind turbines depend on weather conditions. This variability requires additional investments in battery storage and grid management systems capable of balancing supply and demand. Battery technology has therefore become one of the fastest growing segments of the energy industry. Large scale storage systems can capture excess renewable energy and release it during periods of high demand. Advances in battery efficiency and manufacturing are helping reduce costs, making storage increasingly viable for utilities and businesses. Nuclear power is also experiencing renewed interest. Several countries are considering plans to reduce nuclear generation, arguing that reliable, low carbon electricity will be essential for supporting future economic growth. New reactor technologies promise improved safety and efficiency compared with older designs. Technology companies themselves are becoming major participants in energy markets. Recognizing that electricity availability could limit future expansion, some firms are investing directly in renewable energy projects, battery storage facilities, and even nuclear technologies. Securing long-term access to power has become a strategic priority. Governments are responding with unprecedented levels of investment. Financial markets have taken notice. Energy infrastructure has emerged as one of the most attractive investment themes of the decade. Investors are directing capital towards utilities, renewable energy developers, battery manufacturers, transmission companies, and infrastructure funds. Analysts estimate that the global energy transition could require tens of trillions of dollars in investment over the coming decades. This makes electricity one of the largest economic opportunities in the world. Companies involved in generating, storing, transmitting, and managing power stand to benefit significantly from rising demand. The geopolitical implications are equally important. Energy security is increasingly viewed as a matter of national competitiveness. Countries capable of producing abundant, reliable electricity may attract more investment, support stronger industrial growth, and maintain greater technological leadership.